Welcome back, guys. I got another soccer pack opening. We're going to be doing another 2021 Prizm Premier League Blaster. I'm trying to get the Megas, hopefully this week. I'll get one open, but let me get this thing open. I'll be right back. Got it right here, guys, and if you haven't done so, please like and subscribe. Tell me what y'all think about these soccer pack openings, All we're trying to do is get something important. Oh, this came kind of weird up. We're going to get straight to it. Let's see what we can get here. See what we can get. Tyrone Maines. Oof, Rahi Mahrez, bro. He's a beast. I'll take that any day. Chris Wood. And Pablo. I got Austin Villa, West Ham. They all got the same color jerseys, though. Rahi Mahrez wasn't bad. Dalmacherori in the back. Jamal Lewis. Fireworks. Allison. Oh, that's a beast card. Okay. Dalmacherori is second one I think I've gotten. Got an Everton Jordan Pickford in the back. Tim Ream. Coyote. Put this over here. We got a nice rookie card. And obviously Pickford. Tottenham. Ooh, Human Son. Let's go. Is Evan? Oh, I thought there's Evan Dyke. No, we got Thiago. Ooh, Silver Phillips, rookie. That's a good card. He's going to be a beast. And another Human Son. This is the second time I pull Human Son. He's a beast in real life. Beast. Alright. We got Chelsea Conte. Let's go. Put that on my Chelsea side. We got Fulham Atmosphere card. Then what we got? Timothy Castal. Okay. I'm going to start separating some of these for team. Neil Bob. Ooh. Beast. Trent Alexander-Arnold. Longstaff. Lacazette. And this guy. Well, guys, we got plenty of good players. We got Future Beast. We got Fireworks Allison and Raheem Mahrez. We also got a couple of good players. Lacazette, Arnold, Human Son, and Thiago. And obviously that boy Conte over here. Well, guys, that's it for me. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see y'all next time. Peace.